16 kilometers upstream from the holy city of Rishikesh, between the banks of the Ganga and the forested ridges of the Himalayan foothills, the Aspen Institute India and the Sri Ram School have come together over a grand agenda, training tomorrow's leaders today. Across 2 weeks each summer, the Aspen Institute India and the Sri Ram School conduct a residential program for the students of Standard 9 through 12 from schools across India. The intense yet fun-filled curriculum takes students through structured modules in a safe and supportive environment to help uncover the hidden leader within. In line with the values all the partners hold dearest, the emphasis is on developing multifaceted individuals and nurturing value-based leadership.
It's a very balanced program. That's why I chose TESALs over anything else, over any camps, because it includes adventure sports, activities, as well as Socratic dialogue, drama, communications.
Leadership is not one of the issues that people mostly, say you can teach leadership, because mostly people say you're born with leadership qualities. So this program actually intended on building this ideology that you can actually learn how to be a leader.
Leadership is a quality which we all need to live through life. And since a leader doesn't have to be one who's always famous, even if we lead ourselves, that's enough. But sometimes we can't do that. And TESALs is the place where you can learn how to lead yourself so that you can be successful in life. And who knows, you may go on to leading others too.
One of the key goals of the program is to foster emotional, intellectual and social growth in these high-achieving youngsters.
You've got this incredible stuff, great message, you can ignite an entire country by going viral.
So apart from being introduced to the academic study of leadership, students also reflect on and discuss a series of thought-provoking readings based on leadership themes and issues.
They don't tell us what is right and what is wrong. You have to believe in what you believe in. You have to pursue your own goals and you have to pursue your own dreams. You cannot say the teacher told me this is correct, so I have to say this is correct, because the topics that they discuss are open-ended.
With all the things that you have, none of this gets the sepoys in.
I also really enjoyed the Socratic dialogues where we all sit together and express our views on different things. Like in the beginning, I was a little shy and I wasn't able to speak up. By the end of it, if something controversial comes up, people are screaming and waving their placards around. So it's fun, it's interesting, you get to know other people's viewpoints, and sometimes you change your mind because what other people are saying makes sense.
Not good at drawing. And this morning, okay, let's say on the timeline you were somewhere over here.
Apart from this, students also learn useful life skills, while the training in communication and soft skills helps develop emotional intelligence and prepares them to be confident participants in society. Community visits and interaction build greater sensitivity to larger social and environmental concerns. Some of the most popular components of the program are adventure sports and motivational lectures from the guest visitors. The perseverance required to deal with challenges and inspire the young leaders to dream big.
We learned how to think about our own thoughts, so it's almost like a psychology lesson, just a lot more fun.
I've rediscovered myself. I didn't know I had so many qualities. I could debate with 28 people sitting in a room, or I could introspect myself. I could talk to a gathering of 50 people, 100 people. I never knew that.
So I love river rafting. It's so much fun. The whole group gets together and you have to really work as a team and paddle. And then when the rapids come, you have to be careful and listen to the guide's command.
A lot of people overcome their fears. Like we do the cliff jump, a lot of people were very apprehensive. Once they did it, they enjoyed it. And they've gone back twice, thrice. Rappelling was really scary, especially the first one you drop down. But afterwards you realize, nahi yaar, it's pretty simple. That was a lot of fun.
As part of the leadership program, students will also be required to initiate a community project that enables them to act upon issues that they are passionate about.
I think that we, the people in India, need to do something to make women feel safer.
The wonderful, safe wilderness experience, the dedicated time for reflection cut off from the noise of gadgets and social media, and of course the lasting friendships made, make the experience all the more special.
This is a great place to be, but you don't have all the luxuries of home. So you learn how to adapt to certain situations. You learn how to become independent, how to form new and stronger bonds.
Children were going to teachers and telling them that split us up, we don't want to be with our friends, we want to meet new people. So I think that was really amazing because we got to know a lot of people and we discussed our cultures and we just tried to figure out how we are like common.
You are discovering yourself again in different ways. You're going to those parts of the mind which you never went to before. And you carry so much back when you go back from here. You will carry skills, you will carry memories, and you will make friends for life.